I thought I would do a little video that shows how I use those planner stickers that I made and how I use them in my digital planner. This is a pixel planner from Holly Shop. I'm not showing you how to use the digital planner. She has lots of great videos on her YouTube channel, but I'm just showing how I import and separate out the stickers and use them, how I use them. Okay, so this is in GoodNotes, and I have the X at the top selected, and I hold it down, click on image. I have to go to my photos because I use the PNG version, and that way the background's transparent, and I upload it right there. Now, with this little green dot at the top, you can turn things, you can swivel them, turn them all the way around, but once you tap on the screen while you have that selected, then you're going to hit crop. You have the rectangle option or the freehand at the bottom there. I'm going to start with the day stickers, so I'm going to use a rectangle tool because they're a square shape. The freehand is good for things like the leaves or the pumpkins or things like that. But in this case, I'm just going to use a rectangle. I'll slide up that bottom bar right there, and then I'm going to slide it over, and I hit done. And you see now all you can see is the word Sunday. Now I'm going to drag it over to I use a Sunday start system, and so I'm going to move it over there to the first day of the calendar. Now I'm going to crop it to make it fit that space a little bit better. And I'm going to start with just doing a vertical crop, going that way, and hitting done. It really is just pure guesswork. This is probably the most time-consuming part, is putting the day stickers where they belong. I keep mine a little bit bigger. I don't try to make them fit in that teeny tiny space. I'm going to be covering it up, so it doesn't really matter. I'm going to zoom in my page, and now I'm going to crop the side out just a little bit. Still try to keep the day label centered, but it doesn't matter if it carries over some to the right because I'm going to be putting Monday right beside that, and I'll show you now. So I'll zoom back out, tap my screen, select image just like I did before, go to my photos, pull it out. Very repetitive. I'm going to crop, use the rectangle tool this time. I'm going to crop everything out but Monday. And now I'll slide it over there. Crop. I'm going to go ahead and take out part of the end. I can leave more on the left side because it's going to be overlapping. Zoom in a little bit closer so I can see better. The only thing, or the main thing, that I do not like about GoodNotes is how it crops. When you resize something, it resizes from the middle. It resizes differently than a lot of the programs that you're probably used to. I'm going to take off some at the end here. Okay, so I need to take off a little bit more so it doesn't cover up the end of the word Sunday. Okay, I'm not going to forward that, try to get it perfect just to save time on the video, but it gives you an idea of how you do your day labels at the top. I need to adjust that and make Monday the same size. So that's probably the hardest part right there, is getting those day labels like you want them. since I was making these stickers for someone who wanted to print them or use them digitally, I made the days a little bit larger. Honestly, it would be easier if the days of the week, if the font was just a little bit smaller, but it was kind of hard to do some sizing on some things to allow it for printing and using on paper planners, especially since everybody's systems are different sizes. Okay, so that's how you do the days of the week. Now we'll go with the daily little leaf stickers, and on these I'm going to use the freehand tool, and I'm going to take my Apple Pencil, you can use stylus or finger or whatever, and select just that leaf with the number 1 on it, and select done. I'm going to turn it this way. The first day of the week for November is on a Thursday. That will go right there. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. And there you go. You can put that anywhere you want. When you tap on it again, you have all these menu options. If they're in that menu, you can touch edit, and that's how you can move it around wherever you want it. I want mine on the top left. Actually, it's going to have to come down because I'll have my day label there later. Okay. You can make it a little bit smaller. And the good thing about it is you can always go back while you're working in it. So say I have my label that size, but then all of a sudden I have a lot of things I need to write on that day. Then I can make the leaf a little bit smaller if I need to. Or you can always zoom in. So you would do that for all 30 days. I'm not going to do that on the video. You do that for all 30 days. You just crop out the leaf, slide it around, size it how you want it, and you'll have your month all set.